Hello RiverWalk community and welcome back. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. Hard to believe that the end of 2023 is only a few days away. As you know, we've been busy knocking this project out. Month after month, you've watched all the wonderful things that have happened here. I'm very excited today to show you one of my favorite new parts of the extension of RiverWalk Resort, the Grand Ballroom. Let's go have a look. Here we are, folks, in the middle of the nearly 5,000 square foot Grand Ballroom at the RiverWalk Resort at Loon Mountain. Nearly 5,000 square feet. That means we can fit 400 plus people in this space. We also have the ability to split it into 3 separate rooms so that we can host multiple events at the same time. We're ready for all of you, all your family events, all your corporate events, next year's holiday party maybe, whatever you have. We're gonna have the best conference center space in all of the White Mountains and maybe beyond. We're excited to host massive weddings. Speaking of which, we'll be coming to the new wedding show that'll be hosted soon, right around the corner. Keep your eyes peeled for our Director of Group Sales, Debbie Lombardi, as she'll be able to explain to you all of the benefits and amenities we have, not only at this property, but here in this space specifically. It's gonna be beautiful. We can't wait to host you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Happy New Year, everybody.